So in this lesson, we will discuss the multiplication and division of rational algebraic expressions. So just as we can multiply and divide fractions, we can multiply and divide rational expressions or fractions that include polynomials. In fact, we use the same process for multiplying and dividing rational expressions as we use for multiplying and dividing numeric fractions. An important difference between fraction and rational expression is that we must identify any values for the variables that would result in division by zero, since this is undefined. These excluded values must be eliminated from the domain, where the domain is the set of all possible values. Okay, let's have the first example. So we have here x cubed plus y cubed all over x squared plus 3xy plus 2y squared times x squared minus xy minus 6y squared all over x squared minus 2xy minus 3y squared divided by x squared minus xy plus y squared all over 2x squared plus 2xy. So again, the rule in multiplying rational algebraic expression, multiply numerator by numerator and multiply denominator by denominator. And in dividing rational expression, so get the reciprocal of the divisor and proceed to multiplication. Okay, so in this case, so it's a combination of multiplication and division. So get the reciprocal first of the divisor. Okay, so that is x cubed plus y cubed over x squared plus 3xy plus 2y squared times x squared minus xy minus 6y squared over x squared minus 2xy minus 3y squared. Now, in this case, from division, proceed to multiplication, and then get the reciprocal of the divisor. So, 2x squared plus 2xy becomes the numerator now. So, 2x squared plus 2xy. Then over, okay, this one becomes a denominator. So, that is x squared minus xy plus y squared. Then after that, get the factors of each numerator and each denominator. So in this case, x cubed plus y cubed, this is sum of two cubes. So the factors are x plus y times the quantity of x squared minus xy plus y squared. Then all over. Okay? So, x squared plus 3xy plus 2y squared is a trinomial. So, the factors are, okay, so 1, 1 for the numerical coefficient of x squared. And then, for the numerical of 2y squared, the factors of 2 are 2 and 1. Okay, so cross multiply. So, 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 1 is 1, and then get the sum, which is 3, which is equal to the middle term. So, therefore, the factors are x plus 2y times x plus y. Okay? Times. Now, factors of x squared minus xy minus 6y squared. Okay, so factors of 1, which is the numerical coefficient of x squared, are 1, 1. And then negative 6, we have 3, 2, since that one is negative. Okay, so negative 3. So, cross multiply, negative 3, 1 times 2 is 2, and then the sum is negative 1, which is equal to that. So, therefore, the factors are x minus 3y times x plus 2y, then all over. So, factors of x squared minus 2xy minus 3y squared. So, we have 1, 1 for factors of 1 in here, and then factors of negative 3, so 3, 1, and that one is negative. So cross multiply, so 1 times negative 3 is negative 3, 1 times 1 is 1, and then get the sum, which is equal to negative 2, which is equal to the middle term. So therefore, the factors are x minus 3y times x plus y. Okay, and then this one, 2x squared plus 2xy. So get the common factor, which is 2x. So 2x squared divided by 2x is x. And then 2xy divided by 2x is equal to y over. Okay, and then x squared minus xy plus y squared is already a prime expression. So just copy. So that is x squared minus xy plus y squared. And then cancel the common factor between the numerator and the denominator. So let's check. So x plus y is common, so cancel 1 over 1. X squared minus xy plus y squared, okay, cancel. That one becomes 1, 1. Also, x plus 2y, okay, and x minus 3y, okay, common. And x plus y and x plus y, that one becomes 1 over 1. And then multiply all remaining factors. So 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 2x times 1, which is equal to 2x. And then in here, 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 equals 1. Or 2x over 1 is equal to 2x. But what are the restricted values for x and y? So where x must not be equal to 0 and y must not be equal to 0. Okay, let's have another example. So we have here x squared minus xy minus 2y squared all over x cubed minus y cubed divided by x squared minus 4y squared all over x squared plus xy plus y squared divided by x squared plus 4xy plus 3y squared all over x squared plus xy minus 2y squared. Okay, so the operation here both is division. So again, get the reciprocal of the divisors. So we have here x squared minus xy minus 2y squared over x cubed minus y cubed. Now, this one is division, so proceed to multiplication and then get the reciprocal of the divisor. So that one becomes x squared plus xy plus y squared. Then all over x squared minus 4y squared. And then divide again. Proceed to multiplication and then get the reciprocal of this. So that one becomes x squared plus xy minus 2y squared. All over x squared plus 4xy plus 3y squared. Okay? And then apply the rule in multiplying rational algebraic expressions. So get all the factors of all numerators and all denominators if possible. Okay? Now, for x squared minus xy minus 2y squared, so it's a trinomial, so get the factors of the first and the last terms. So numerical coefficient of x squared is 1, so factors of that are 1 and 1. Negative 2, so we have 2, 1, so negative 2, and then cross multiply, so that one is negative 2, then 1 times 1 is 1. Okay, the sum is negative 1, which is equal to that. So the factors are x minus 2y times x plus y. Okay, then x cubed minus y cubed is a difference of 2 cubes. So the factors are x minus y times the quantity of x squared plus xy plus y squared. Then x squared plus xy plus y squared is already a prime. So just copy. X squared plus xy plus y squared. Then over factors of x squared minus 4y squared. This one is difference of 2 squares. So the factors are x plus 2y times the quantity of x minus 2y, okay, times factors of x squared plus xy minus 2y squared. So it's a trinomial. So factors of 1 here is are 1 and 1, then negative 2, so 2, 1, and then negative 1, okay? Then check, 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times negative 1 is negative 1, and the sum is positive 1, which is equal to that. So therefore, the factors are x plus 2y times x minus y, okay? And then in the denominator, so x squared plus 4xy plus 3y squared. So factors of 1 are 1 and 1. Factors of positive 3, so positive 3, positive 1. So cross multiply. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. And then get the sum, which is equal to 4. So the factors are x plus 3y times x plus y. Okay, and then just cancel the common factor of the numerator and the denominator. So let's check. So yeah, x minus 2y is common. So that one becomes 1 and this one is also 1. And okay, x plus y. Okay, that one is 1. What else? So we have x plus 2y. That one becomes 1. And also x squared plus xy plus y squared. So 1, then 1. What else? Okay, x minus y. That one becomes 1. That one becomes 1. And then, okay, so multiply all remaining factors. So 1. So 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Then in the denominator, we have 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times x plus 3y times 1, which is equal to x plus 3y. Now, what are the restricted value or values for x and y? That x must not be equal to 0. And also, y must not be equal to 0. Okay, that's it.